Alright, so now let's look at example 1C. It says that we're going to rotate the square JKLM 270 degrees counterclockwise, and we're going to label J prime, K prime, L prime, and M prime. Alright, so now looking at this actual figure, we always know when it comes to a rotation, we need to know the direction, the degree, and the rule that we need to apply. So looking at this problem, they told us that we're rotating counterclockwise, and we're rotating 270 degrees. I look at 270 as being 3 turns. Okay, so 270 is 3 turns. So we know our direction, which is counterclockwise. We know our degree, which is 270, which is 3 turns. So now let's get the rule. Now the rule that applies for this one, because it's 270, we're looking at 270 degrees counterclockwise being the same as 90 degree clockwise. We're looking at a rule that says if we take that order pair, we're going to take and flip the order. This time change the value, the sign of the x. That's our rule. Okay, now we're going to take the order pairs that we have for the figure and find those, and then we're going to apply the rule to them. So the first point that we're going to get is J. So the order pair for J is at 1, -1. K is going to be at 4, 1, 4, -1. L is going to be at 4, -4. And M is going to be at 1, -4. Now we're going to take what we just learned, knowing what the rule is for a 270 degree counterclockwise rotation, and we're going to get our new points. It says that we're going to take the order that we have, and we're going to flip the order and then change the sign of the x value. Alright, so we got -1 as our y, and then the +1 was what we had, but now it has to change to -1. The next order pair we have, the y value was -1 and the x value was 4, but it says we got to change the sign of the x value, so that's going to become a -4. Same thing, -4 was my y value and 4 positive was my x value, but it says we need to change it, so it becomes negative itself. And then the last order pair that we have was 1, -4. Flipping the order becomes -4, 1, and then we got to change the sign of the x, which was the 1, and that's what we got. So these are our new list of new points. So let's graph them. The first one is -1, -1, and that's going to be J prime. The next one is -1, -4. That's going to be K prime. The next one we have is -4, -4. It's going to be L prime. And the last one we have is -4, -1. And that's going to be M prime. Connecting our 4 dots to make our figure. Once we do that, we have made a 270 degree counterclockwise rotation. What happened was we started here and we went this way to get to that new point. And that's how we rotate a figure 270 degrees counterclockwise.